Hi everyone, this is Nathan, and today's video is, as you could see in the photos, the plan is, after I'm done making the steam shovel, maybe complete it some more, but I need to solder on some wires to the motor. But anyhow, I was thinking, and it's going to be a little boring with just the mall being torn down, and I thought, what could represent it perfectly when like factories and big buildings are taking over. I thought, hey, since I have some locomotives that I used to do for a factory, I could do it again, but redesign it a bit. And that's how it is. So basically, the first, probably right by the tracks will be the factory, and right behind it will be the mall. And the next thing is Andy Moore's project. I just built the nose, and I'm starting to build the cab. I'm almost there, but I got an idea. It's gonna be a little complicated at first. I'm having a toy that's gonna have the fans up top, and I'm gonna have some motors blink like a real engine, like a real diesel, flashing red lights on both sides, like this. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do something simple with switches and stuff, but that'll be in a future video. So I just thought to make this video to give a heads up of what's going on. So yeah, this is Nathan saying goodbye and have a very awesome day.